Today we are in the lecture of freelancing and skill set. So for a proper and interactive session, I have designed a Power BI dashboard for the understanding. So I'm going towards Pakistan, and in Pakistan I will click it and it will show me all the developers of Pakistan, their price per hour, the description and their skill set as mentioned by them. And you can see the highest paid freelancer is taking $100 per hour, and you can see the per hour price. The user score means the score given by different users and the price of Pakistan per hour and the good recommendations or points received.